Qapital Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Qapital are in the description if you want to check it out. Qapital is a unique robo-advisor that combines automated investing with smart savings tools to help users build wealth effortlessly. Unlike traditional robo-advisors, Qapital focuses on goal-based investing, meaning you set financial goals and the platform automatically invests your money based on your risk level and timeline. It uses a diversified portfolio of ETFs, rebalances automatically, and offers fractional investing so you can start with small amounts. One of Qapital's standout features is its customizable savings rules, allowing users to automate deposits based on triggers like rounding up purchases, setting weekly transfers, or even linking savings to lifestyle habits. This makes it a great choice for those who struggle to save and invest consistently. The platform also includes Qapital Spending, a banking feature with a debit card, and Qapital Dream Team, which allows couples or groups to save towards shared goals. Qapital is best suited for beginner and intermediate investors who want a simple, hands-off approach to investing while also improving their savings habits. However, it does have some drawbacks. Unlike many robo-advisors, Qapital does not offer tax loss harvesting, which could be a disadvantage for higher net worth investors. Additionally, it operates on a subscription model with plans starting at $3 per month, which may not be cost-effective for users with smaller balances. Another limitation is that Qapital does not support individual stock investments. Your money is strictly allocated to preset ETF portfolios. Overall, Qapital is an excellent option for those looking to automate both saving and investing in a user-friendly way. Its goal-based approach and savings automation tools make it stand out from traditional robo-advisors. If you're someone who struggles with consistent investing or wants an all-in-one finance app, Qapital is worth considering. Check out the links in the description if you're interested. Let me know in the comments if you've used Qapital and what your thoughts are.